Chandigarh University is hosting the ANRF-sponsored national workshop. But on what?
On cloud computing, bringing together top experts from AWS and Dell.
Through live demonstrations, expert interactions, and hands-on learning.
This workshop exposes our students and faculty to the latest trends in cloud, AI, ML, and federated learning.
At Chandigarh University, events like these are part of our industry-driven learning ecosystem. We offer specialized programs such as
Bachelor's of Engineering, CSE in fields of cloud computing in collaboration with IBM.
Masters in Engineering, CSE in fields of cloud computing in collaboration with Virtusa.
This is how Chandigarh University prepares future-ready innovators.